Hello, everybody, and welcome. Today, we're going to start a new story, which is Riding Freedom, written by Pam Munoz Ryan. So, first of all, we have to ask a question. Who is the author of this story? It's Pam Munoz Ryan. And we are going to go through the main or key vocabulary here. We have escort. Escort means to travel with, to guide or protect a person. Churning, vigorously mixing or stirring. Swelled, becoming larger in size. Relied, depended on. Reputation, the beliefs or opinions that are generally held about someone or something. Worthy, having value, importance, or worth good enough for. Situation, a type of problem someone has. Deserve, earn something. Defended, protected. Satisfied, pleased with the way something happened. Again, if you see here the word situation, it's a type of problem someone has or someone in, okay? It's a matter, okay, that you live or you spend time in. Like you can say, I was in an embarrassing situation when I fell down while I was running. Okay, so that's it. What's the genre of Riding Freedom? It's historical fiction. What's the setting of the story? It's in Sacramento, California, and it happened in 1800s. Who are the main characters of the story? The main characters are Charlotte, and you know that she changed her name into Charlie, and Frank and James. True or false, James knows that Charlotte is a girl. Of course, he didn't know. Why does Charlotte check the bridge before crossing it? To check its supports. Do you think that Charlotte has proven herself as a stagecoach driver? Of course, yes. Why do people call Charlotte Charlie? It's the only way for her work because they didn't allow girls to work and she chose to be disguised as a boy and she gave herself the name Charlie. Why does Charlotte have to relearn to drive a coach? She loses her eyesight in one eye and she later on she wore an eye patch on the eye that she lost. What character trait best describes Charlotte? She is determined. She's a determined girl. Why is James concerned about Charlotte driving a coach? Because since Charlotte can only see from one eye, of course, James should be concerned about that. What happens right after Charlotte crosses the bridge? The bridge collapses. What does the metaphor in the sentence below mean? It was one of those storms where the rain comes down in washtubs. So the metaphor means that it was raining very hard, or the rain was collected by buckets, or the rain was clean and refreshing, or it was raining on and off like a washing machine. So the right answer is the first one that I said, which is it was raining very hard. What do Charlotte and James know at the beginning of the passage? Okay, so which one of these choices? Is it that the Charlotte is too young to drive a coach, or Charlotte can drive a coach in the rain, or Charlotte has a good reputation as a driver, or she will be accepted by the passengers? So the right answer is that she is too young to drive a coach. How is Charlotte different from the other coach drivers? She drives a smaller team, or she has overturned a coach, or she is a female and is blind in one eye, or she is young and is afraid to drive in the rain. So the right answer is yes, she is a female and is blind in one eye. How was one passenger different from all the others? Okay, he refuses to get out at the bridge. What is an example that the passage takes place in the past? The travelers use stagecoaches, and of course, this happened in the past. Thunder growled nearby is an example of, is a simile, personification, a metaphor, of course, it's right, it's personification. Excellent. Thank you for watching and wish you all the best of luck. Goodbye.